Hello, this is Never Led One with DecisionBrain, and with me today is Julia Borky, who is our product manager, and we're here today to talk about the new release of DBGene that just came out here in November 2022. DBGene is also sold by IBM under the name DOC, or Decision Optimization Center. So Julia, welcome. And first, can you kick it off by telling us a little bit about what is DBGene?
Yes. So the ultimate goal of DBGene is to make optimization actionable for the business. So what we want to achieve for our customers is to make sure that through DBGene, they can create and deploy full solutions that are used every day by business users and generate continuous value. And of course, business users, by using DBGene application, should get their life a little bit easier. It should be easier to take decisions based on the DBGene applications.
Great. So the new release, what exactly is new in the release we just issued?
Yeah, so in the past few months, what we've been focusing on is mostly the UI. So, you know, DBGene provides within its functionalities, it also provides out-of-the-box functionalities for front-end. So dashboards, KPI chart, and so on. And although we know that optimization will always be at the heart of our applications and of our technology, it's of course it's not sufficient to provide users with a full experience that will make their life easier. You know, sometimes optimization can be like a black box for users. They need to really understand what is happening and why the system is proposing this solution that is so different from what they used to do. And UI is one of the key we have to win the user's trust. If they really understand what is proposed by the system and whether this new solution can really work in their situation, and maybe they can do what if analysis, compare with other scenarios and so on, then they will it will be easier to have the solution adopted and used every day by the business users.
Okay, so it sounds like the theme of this release, the major theme, was usability by the business, so that when an optimization person creates a planning or scheduling or logistics application, that the user interface allows the business side to easily interact with you know, the let's say Gantt charts and maps and tables and scenarios and KPIs and those sorts of UI screens. Is that right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay. And is there anything specifically new as far as the UI offerings? Because I know DBGene has had a lot of a very extensive library of UI widgets. Has that library been extended, or what exactly is new?
Yes, so we have extended the library of existing widgets and we have improved that. And we also have created a connector for Tableau. And you know, it's part of Tableau is one of the most used BI tool in the market, and it is sometimes critical for companies to keep using the dashboards and the tool they are used to. So we have created a Tableau data connector, and more in detail, we built a Tableau data connector that allows fetching data from DBGene, and through a REST API, DBGene can trigger a data refresh on Tableau side. So basically, you can have a Tableau widget, a Tableau dashboard inside a DBGene application.
Very cool. Now you said something about showing it. Can you do that today?
Yes. Yes, so for example, you can see here, this is a Tableau dashboard that I built on Tableau. And let's say that I'm very familiar with this dashboard and I want to include it inside my DBGene application. Well, this is now possible. As you can see, this is a DBGene application. I have my standard components, and I also have a view dedicated to Tableau where I can still use and filter and use all the capabilities of Tableau. Another example is this other application where we have integrated maps, and we can still filter and use all the functionalities from Tableau. Also, I told you that we have increased and improved our library of existing components. Let me show you a quick example. It is now possible to fix the colors of a given data. For example, let's say that you always want a plant to look in a certain color because this makes sense in your organization, you can now do that. Let me give you an example. I can move into this color menu and I can select what colors I want to fix. Let's say, for example, that I want to fix the color of the plant that is in Paris. I can pick my color and save. And now everything that is related to the plant in Paris will look green. Here it is.
Even if it's in different dashboards, it maintains that new color?
Yes, even if it is in different scenarios. The next scenario you upload that has the Paris plant, if it's something that sticks, will be green.
Love this. Thanks for showing it. So what about the future?
In the future, what we want to target is we want to make DBGene more user-friendly and easier for OR people and data scientists. So we want to lower the technical stack that is needed for these people to use DBGene and create application based on it.
So it really sounds like the roadmap is focused on bringing optimization more to the masses by making it easier to develop and deploy and increase user adoption of these applications for planning, scheduling, and logistics use cases.
Exactly.
Wonderful. Thank you for being with us today, Julia.
Thank you, Nevra.